guys what's going on. Tea Time is going to be live September 13th. Can't wait to see you there at church. It was great doing the videos, but it's going to be so much better seeing you there in person. And can't wait, super excited. So come on, bring your friends. See you soon.
Hi guys, we are super excited to have you all back in the Splash Zone. We can't wait to see you. It has been so long since we have been together. And to all the parents and grandparents and guardians and aunts and uncles and everyone in charge of all these young ones, we just thank you for giving us the opportunity to pour the love of Jesus into these children. Can't wait to see you guys.
Hi kids, welcome back to Splash Zone. We can't wait to have you. We're going to learn a lot about God and God's Word this year. So come on back, we're all excited. Tell your parents to bring you. September 13th, 10:30, Infinity Church.
Hey everybody, it's Miss Casey here. I am in my classroom getting things ready for next week, and I cannot wait to see you guys on the 13th back in our Splash Zone classrooms. I'm looking forward to seeing everyone really soon. Bye.
We wanted you to hear that directly from some of our teachers so you know just how excited we are to be able to welcome our children back to our Splash Zone Children's Ministry starting September 13th. We have missed you, kids. It's been so strange to not have you to be able to come and participate in our ministry. We know that many of you are starting back up to school this month over the last few weeks, and so we just wanted you to know, parents, that whenever you're ready, whenever you feel safe, we are starting our children's ministry on September 13th during our 10:30 worship hour. And if you can be here, we would love to see you and to be able to worship with you and keep pointing our kids toward Jesus. We will dismiss our kids right before the last worship song in the service out through these doors to go back to the Splash Zone. Splash Zone is what we call our 10:30 worship hour for our kids. That's showing people love and sharing Him. So after you come out through these doors, what's going to be different is that our teachers are going to be right out here in the gathering area waiting for you to take you back to the right classrooms. So we're hoping that's going to cut down a little bit of the chaos and helping keep it organized and safe for everyone. If you're in the second or third grade, you will be in the blue class, and that classroom is just here on the left-hand side of the gathering. If you are in K5 or first grade, you'll go down this hall on the right-hand side. You are in the red classroom. Preschool, ages 3 and 4, you are a green classroom, so look for the green sign as you're headed down this left-hand hallway to go to the big classroom near the front of the building. Now, outside of each classroom door, there's going to be hand sanitizer available for each of our children. And you'll notice that we're using some of our bigger classrooms so that the kids will have a little bit more space to be able to spread out in there. And then we're keeping our class sizes a little bit smaller by asking everybody that's 4th grade and up to stay here in the regular service during the worship time. Now, after the service, parents, we're asking you to go to the classrooms to pick up your children directly from the teacher. Now, we know this will be a little bit harder as we approach flu season, but we're asking parents to be especially careful about watching the health symptoms of your own children. If they're showing any symptoms of sickness, we ask you please keep them at home for that Sunday. We are praying that we can have a safe and awesome and exciting restart to our children's ministry starting on September 13th. So when you're ready, we'd love to have you worship with us here in person. Now I've got one more teacher who is very excited to welcome you back.
Hey everybody, the Good News Network is no more, but we've got something better in store. Whether you're outgoing or shy, whether you're a girl or you might be a guy, whether you're short or whether you're tall, whether you've got 2 friends or you've got none at all, on September 13th, you know where to be. I will see you at Infinity.